Hi guys, this is Kriba. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today is my second video, and I'm going to show you the unboxing of this printer, and then I'll show here the Brother DCP T420W, and the video is taken by my son Nathaniel. Nathaniel, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, come here, show it. Okay, show inside. Okay, so this three. Okay, we have three bottles here. One is so there are three colors here given, and you can get a refill for these colors in the market. I'm going to place it here. Don't show that, just like, yeah. Okay, we have one USB printer cable, and I think this is also, yeah, we have four colors, and yeah, this one is the cable, power cable, and some packing. It's nicely packed. And guys, I bought this printer not in online. I went to Ritchie Street in Chennai and bought this for a good price. So please show here. Okay, I'm going to take the printer out. Give me some time. Okay, it's better. Which one is up? Okay. No, don't. Okay, nice. This is easier to take. Yeah. Wow. We have unboxed it. Look here, it's a great printer. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, there you go. It's a beautiful printer. Yeah, so let me show you the other things, connecting and thing in just few minutes. Turn off.